Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I'm about to do this Cuticle Ombre nails. This is a trending nails that is going on right now, so I decided to show it to you guys. Okay, if you are new here, you are welcome. My name is ByLaureen. Please like my videos, share my videos, and comment on all my videos. Okay, without no further ado, I'm just gonna dive right into this video. So guys, I'm going in with these two Modelones gel polish. These colors are so beautiful, I love them, so I picked them. Okay, so I'm gonna use these two gel polish, and make sure whenever you're picking your gel polish, make sure they both gonna blend together, like they almost look alike. If you are going with pink, let it be pink and pink, like a light pink and a darker pink. Okay, that's the top coat I'm going to be using. It's a very simple design, and this is my nail reserve top coat, and have a 30% discount, so you can actually click on the link and then it's going to directly take you to the website. Okay, so that's a top coat also, but it's a matte top coat and it's a Modelones top coat. I'm going to use this first, do my design, and then I'm going to go in with my top coat. I do that so that I don't make any mistake. So that's my Silverland liner. It's a very thin liner and I really love it. That's my Modelones brush. That's the brush I'm going to be using to blend both colors together. And that's the another Modelones. I'm just going to use it to clean the edge of my colors. So guys, I already did this prepping off camera. That's clear polygel. I applied it on the nails. I cured it for 60 seconds as we always do. So I already have that. I just want to show you guys the process of the design, not the process of applying the polygel. We all know how we apply a polygel. So I'm just gonna work on these beautiful nails.
I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody.
So guys, this is where the work begins. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply one of the colors, which is the darker one, on one side of the nails, and then I'm going to go with the other color, which is the lighter one, on the other side of the nails. Do not cure it. Okay, when you cure it, your work is useless. So I'm just going to add the other one to one side of the nails, and then I'll take the brush, I'll start using it to blend both colors. So that is what I'm doing right now. Whenever you're applying the colors, make sure they are almost together, like together, and then just take your brush, have your rubbing alcohol on one side, because from time to time you're going to clean your brush. Okay, so just start blending and blending and blending. Keep blending. You make a mistake, do not worry. When you apply the second layer, you're going to see changes. Okay, so I just work from cuticle areas down to the tip, from the tip area up to the cuticle areas, just to make sure both colors blend, and clean both sides of the nails, just for you not to have anything floating outside the nails. So I'm just going to keep doing this. You guys just sit and watch how the process is done. It's a very easy nails, and it is trendy right now, and it is beautiful. I so much love this design. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. Yay, you guys are welcome to the channel. Welcome. In this channel, we do polygel nails, we unbox products, we also review products. Please stick around. Okay, go and watch all the videos. Please go and watch all my videos, like, share, and comment. Okay, and to our returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay, so after that, I cured it for 60 seconds, and now I'm just applying the second layer to the nails. I'm still going to do the same process. Blend. As you blend, clean your brush. As you blend, clean your brush. After blending, and you see the lines are so perfect, there's no no difference between both colors, you can cure it for 60 seconds. I appreciate you guys a lot. And we've got the winner for our 400 subscribers. I'm gonna put the person's I'm gonna put the person's comment. The person, she was the first person to comment, and her name is Joy James. Okay, we're gonna talk privately, and then she's gonna send me her address. I'm just gonna mail the gift to the person. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please, if you want to participate for the 500 subscribers, just keep commenting. Be the first person to comment. Make sure you are subscribed, like all the videos, and I'll be glad to send your stuff. So right now I'm just gonna we're gonna draw a V French tip. After drawing the V French tip, we're still gonna blend both colors together, and then we'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going.
Guys, we're gonna blend both colors together just as we were doing, and then I'll also cure it for 60 seconds. Whenever you are blending, blend and clean your brush. It's very, very important. And I also use that brush to clean the free edge of the V French tip. After that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. If you have watched it this time and you are enjoying this video but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, like, share, comment, and tell me any video ideas you want me to do for you, and I will put that video up. Okay, just please watch to the end. Do not skip any of these parts. These parts, they are so important, and these nails is very, very beautiful, and it's trendy right now. So give it a try and put it down in the comment section. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. This is what we have, guys. Can you take a moment to appreciate these nails? Now I'm going to apply the second layer to the nails. Still going to do the same process, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, I'm going to apply my top coat on all the nails. After applying my top coat on all the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I am so happy, so glad that I'm doing these nails, because this nails was giving me joy when I was doing it. It's really, really beautiful. Videos don't really do the job. You can rock this anywhere. Trust me, it is gorgeous. I'm applying my oil to the nails. After applying my oil to the nails, you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails. I do this so that it takes out all the ashiness from the nails. And you know, when you apply your oil to the nails, that's when the beauty really pops out. So guys, this is the finished look of these nails. Can you take a moment to appreciate these nails? This nails is so beautiful. Whoever invented these nails needs to win an award. Trust me, I love these nails. These nails was so beautiful when I did it, and I appreciate myself for doing these nails. If you know you understood this tutorial and you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.